Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge isupport nothando nesikhombise lona lingaphezulu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla.
There was one professor I asked, ukuthi mfethu awungitshela ama-politicians awathola kanjani ama-PhDs because uyambona nomuntu uyidanda yethu ukusathatha isikhathi sokufunda. I asked about the Kim Jong-un of the EFF. I said this guy
Kim Jong-un EFF.
There's a Kim Jong-un in the EFF, when he says something nobody jumps the line. So I asked this guy, how did he get this junior degree? This professor said, you know what, Ike, you'll never know, mfethu. If I could tell you, some of these guys will write assignments for them. But if I were to be put in court, this guy will not come.
No, he can't
testify because he's in, he's protecting his job. I'm a PhD, I'm a master's degree. I remember again, there was a rumor, not a rumor, there was this issue, but it was squashed down. There was, I think it was a cousin of Floyd, where they said this master's degree, is plagiarized from Russia. Even Van Rooyen, there was that issue, but yavalwa with no, ngati master's yakhe, plagiarized, where there was a ghostwriter. These things are there. That's why abantu abafana nabo Platon Zimande, they need a commission of inquiry because it devalues ama qualifications of abantu. They need to investigate all these guys, these politicians, people who had ghostwriters.
Osukwini la izolo, i-ANC yamukela isinqumo esithathwe yi-High Court yaseBhisho lapho khona evimbe i-SIU eyaziwa nge-Special Investigating Unit ukuthi ingaphenyi ama-qualifications ka-Oscar Mabuyane owu-Premier wase-Eastern Cape. No-Dr. Mbuyiseni Ndlovu uphawulile ngalolu daba lapha ku-X eyaziwa nge-Twitter wabhala kanje, open quotes, "No one awards themselves a degree. In the end, it is the university that must defend itself for giving you a degree, not the other way around. Why stop an investigation if you know the degree was awarded in accordance with all academic and legal prescripts?" Ngempela uma uzazi nje wena ukuthi i-degree yakho uyenze kahle, wa-attend ama-classes wakho, wabhala ama-assignments ofuneka uwabhale, wabhala ama-exam ofuneka uwabhale, wawaphasa. Yini engakwenza ukuthi uvimbe i-investigation mayithi ifuna ukuphenya ngalelo daba lalo ma-degree? Uyakhumbula ivideo engiqale ngayo ithi kuno-professor, sho njalo Ike, uthi kuno-professor ahlangana naye, wabuza lama-politicians ayafunda ngempela na, wathi hayi cha laba kunabantu abababhalela ama-assignment nabababhalela ama-exam. Uma ke sokusuka i-politician iye court iyovimba ukuthi akunga-investigatewa ukuthi i-degree yana is it legit or not, lokho nje kukodwa kuyasolisa, kwenza sizibuza ukuthi ngabe lento eyishuwo Ike ayilona iqiniso na, ngoba phela Ike samthatha indlela esimthatha ngayo, kodwa uma ukwazi ukusukuma umuntu ezazi uyabona nje mangabe une qualification noma yipi, noma kuthiwa une qualification noma yipi, uma ngathi waboka investigate no khululekana nambani ngoba uyazi ukuthi unayo. Uyabona nje angenzi into elula into abantu abaningi abanayo, i-matric certificate. Uma uzazi ukuthi wahlala edeskini wapass exam, waphuma ama-results, uyazazi ukuthi uphasile, akukhathalekile ukuthi uphase kanjani, kodwa uyazazi ukuthi uphasile u-matric. Uma ngathiwa kuyo-investigate ukuthi waphasa, angikholwa ukuthi ungaya ecourt ngoba uyazi ukuthi waphasa, unless kukhona okwaziyo ukuthi wena wakwenza. Lokho ke kungenza ukuthi sishintshe ulimi, sishintshe language. eSouth Africa ziningi kakhulu izinto ezenzekayo, ziningi kakhulu. Uyabona nje ngizofunda le judgment ephume lapha eHigh Court yaseBhisho, kodwa nje le nto ezenzeka la eSouth Africa zenza ubone ukuthi i-corruption inezimpande ezijule kakhulu phansi. Impande ze-corruption zijule kakhulu. Lethi iphume eHigh Court yaseSouth Africa e-Eastern Cape kwi-division yaseBhisho. I-case number yakhona 8330/2023 ibhalwe before the Honorable Mr. Acting Justice Mchabe nge-23 zika-October 2025 kunodaba oluvela kulubabalo Oscar Mabuyane ongummangali emangalela upresident wase-South Africa okummangalelwa wokuqala, kube i-special investigating unit okummangalelwa wesibili, bese mangalela i-University of Hot Hair okummangalelwa wesithathu. Nansi-ke order ephume court, sizoyifunda njengoba ibhaliwe. Having heard Mr. Sakela for the applicant and having read the document filed of record, it is ordered that 1. The time period for instituting judicial review proceedings in terms of Promotion of Administrative Justice Act 3 of 200 PAGA is extended in terms of Section 91B of PAJA in relation to the decision by the first respondent, the President of the Republic of South Africa, to refer various allegations concerning governance and operations at University of Fort Hare for investigation by the second respondent under Proclaimed 84 of 2022 in Government Gazette number 47199 on 5 August 2022 proclamation. 2. The conduct of the SIU in its investigation of the applicant is declared an abuse, unconstitutional, and is reviewed and set aside. 3. The SIU's decision to embark on investigation against the applicant is declared ultra virus in terms of the proclamation and is reviewed and set aside. The second respondent shall pay cost on scale C of Part B of the application, such cost to include cost consequent upon employment of counsels by order second. Kuze kwazeke ukuthi Oscar Mabuyane qualification yakhe, is it legit or not, ifanele ku-investigatewe. Yona into efuneka yenzeke manje. Ngizibuza mina isizathu esenza ukuthi aye enkantolo yena ayovimba i-SIU ukuthi inhloso yakhe yini. SIU-ke iphawulile ngalolu daba, ibhala ipost, yaphinde ngizokucaphunela nenkulumo yabade bekhuluma noXoli Mkambi lapha ku Newsroom Africa. Isihloko sepost yabo sithi SIU notes High Court order on matter by Eastern Cape Premier Mabuyane. The Special Investigating Unit, SIU, note the judgment from the High Court of South Africa Eastern Cape Division, Pisho, concerning Proclamation 84 of 2022, which relates, among others, to the investigation into awarding of undergraduate and postgraduate degrees at the University of Fort Hare.
We have noted this outcome that has come, and from where we are sitting, it is an outcome that is related to what happened when the Premier challenged us around the proclamation that was issued in 2022, and this is the second or Part B of that. But subsequent to that, we had moved. We moved to a point where we were able to amend, because if you remember, the bone of contention at the time was the fact that the proclamation, the 2022 proclamation, did not mention a master's degree specifically. Therefore, he was saying because the probe or that was related to him was about masters, therefore we can't probe because he doesn't mention that. Therefore, we have moved as an organization. We went and amended the proclamation. It was reissued. The new one was issued in 2024, and our investigations now are based on that particular one and not the one of 2022.
Okay, so the 2022 proclamation is amended, and there is a new one which with the stamp of 2024. So what is the status of the SIU investigation, specifically as it surrounds Oscar Mabuyane and his qualification slash registration at Fort Hare University?
Yeah, the investigation is ongoing. And like I always say, Goli, it's not about the individual. In the new proclamation, we are now going to continue with the investigation of the masters, and not only the masters, but also the doctorates, because that is what we have added in the new, the amended proclamation. Therefore, we will investigate all of the people who went into the master's program in cases where things might not have happened in the right way. that will be inclusive of him if he's one of those that are involved, because we never went out and said he is one of the people that we are looking at. It was him who went and took us to court.
Sicacisele kubaba uKaiser Kganyago ukuthi hayi akaphunyulile. Usasindile nje okwamanje kodwa akaphunyulile ngoba sebeyiamendile. Khumbula ukuthi uma beqala benikezwe kwakufuneka baphenya ama degrees kodwa hayi ama masters nama doctorate. Manje ke bona manje sebehambile makuthe makuphuma nje lesinqumo bahamba bafike bayiamenda iproclamation yabo. Act yabe basenza ngayo ukuze ikwazi ukubanikeza ilungelo lokuphenya abantu abanama degree abanama masters nama doctorate. So akaphunyulile futhi bayasho ukuthi it's not about an individual. Bona baphenya iuniversity. Uyena nje ovele wabathathu abasenkantolo bebe bengamphenyi. Oshuthu usidonsele yena amanzi. Oshuthu usidonsele namanzi uthi avele nje asuke ayothi abangamphenyi noma bashiya abayeke phansi uphenyo olumayelana naye. And bayasho ukuthi it's not about an individual. Kodwa baphenya noma yini la kuneyintsolo khona ezithi kunezinto ezingahambanga kahle. Yayi ngakho iSouth Africa yethu le kube kuyangami ngabe siqala phansi angazi kanjani kodwa nje ayi ngendlela okuyiyo so sizozwa khona kodwa nje ngokucacileyo isinqumo esithathwe iSIU esokuthi baamende ukuze bezoqhubekela phambili neinvestigation yabo. Mina ngizibuza ukuthi uma lo baba ubeyawazi ama qualifications wakhe ukuthi right yini into evele yamluma, yini into evele yamthunuka nje yenza ukuthi akathathe lolu daba lusenkantolo, yini le emxake kangaka futhi why uma ngabe ezazi angisho mina ukuthi ama qualification wakhe akawatholanga ngendlela right kodwa uma ngabe ezazi ukuthi yena wawathola ngendlela eqondile yini emkhathazayo. Hayi asibambe le video. Cela ukuze uphola kwakho la comment section ngizwe wena ukuthi ubona kanjani kulolu daba esixoxa ngalo. Ngale kwalokho mina nawe asidibane kwi video elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.